To get the best Webtoon promo codes. Love reading Webtoons but want to save money? Promo codes can unlock free episodes and discount on coins. And here's how to find them. So active deals include 30% off special offers, 20% off store-wide codes, and free gift codes that unlock bonus episodes or coins. So you can find verified codes on Webtoon's app and website. You can also find it on coupon sites such as Simply Codes. You can also find some on fan communities on Reddit or Discord. So when buying coins or unlocking episodes, enter the promo code at the checkout. Discounts apply best to coin bundles, so use them when topping up. And that is how you can basically get the best Webtoon promo codes.